At the end of the day, a lawyer is a source of information to clients. Now, we live in a world where information is all around us. It's widespread. It's coming at people fast and furious. Anybody that's got a question, whether it's 4 o'clock in the morning or a weekend or an evening, before they call their doctor or their lawyer or their accountant, they're probably Googling it and trying to find the answer out. These days, they're probably going on to ChatGPT and they're having a conversation with ChatGPT. So where does the lawyer come in on this? And the answer is the lawyer can't disregard the fact that the client has already examined these questions and answers through technology. The lawyer has to work on the top of that by being able to interpret that information for the client, and in some cases, even ask the client, what do they already know? Because in some cases, we actually might have to address misinformation. So to your question about how do we seize and use technology, in some cases, we actually direct the client to various technologies that are out there. In my case, for example, any Canadian lawyer is well aware of CanLII. That's the Canadian Legal Information Database. Well, why should that only be used by lawyers when in fact clients have access to it as well? So oftentimes when a client asks me a question, I'll actually ask them to pause on the question, to pull out their phone. If they're already on their phone, I'll ask them to put me on speaker and then go on to Safari and then go to canli.org and then look up a case, and then I will actually walk them through the very answer to their question that was already answered on a similar case just like theirs. In some cases, I might be referring to a Supreme Court of Canada decision that they are unaware of. They may have read about it online, but they have no idea what the source of that information is, and I'll take them to the Supreme Court of Canada website, and I'll take them through the case and explain to them how the court has ruled in a similar case to theirs. In some cases, I'll actually take them to my website, and I'll show them information that's on my website that previous clients have asked me, and sometimes we'll even joke about it. I'll say, that question that you just asked me, client, you're probably the 14th person this week that's asked me that question. I decided after the 12th time that they asked me that question to write a lengthy answer to that question by way of an article, which is in a blog on my website. And I'll take them to that and I'll say to them, you know what? Save yourself the time that I'm going to spend with you on the phone by paying me, read the article, and then call me back and we'll have a conversation once you've gone from grade 1 to grade 5 on the answer.